You maybe mistakenly deleted your photos or videos, and you want it back. In this video, I will show you how to restore your photos and videos immediately. Make sure you watch. You should not skip any seconds of this video. If you are new here, my name is Kazim Sodiq. I am uploading videos based on all you need to know about using phone. If that sound good, feel free to subscribe for you to be getting updated every day. Without wasting our time, how do you able to restore your photos and videos? Open the main menu of your phone, and go straight to your Google Photo app icon, click on it. And this will lead you to the main page of your Google Photos. Look at the top right hand side, you will see 3 lines that comprises of some features. Click on these lines, and a new page will slide from the right hand side. Look for trash, click on it, and all what in the trash page will appear. All the items here are there for a particular time period, which will not more than 60 days, before it will permanently deleted. Touch and hold the photo or video you want to restore. Look at the bottom of the page. You are going to see 2 main features, which is delete and restore. Tap on restore and all your photos and videos will be back immediately. All your photos and videos will be back in your Google Photos library. As well, it will back in your phone gallery app, likewise, in your albums of Google Photos. If your missing items is not in your trash, it may be permanently deleted. Now, how are you going to restore it back? The link is in the description below, that talk about step by step on how to do it. We have created a Google Photo playlist, that comprises of all what you are looking for, about Google Photos. The link is description below. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe, and if it didn't, make sure you put your comment in the comment below. Don't forget that we love you. Thanks for watching.